How you going, YouTube fans? You were waiting for me to say it, weren't you? Okay, I'll say it better. Hey there, YouTube fans. How you going? That's my trademark, by the way, if you haven't guessed. Well, what a difference testosterone makes. It's fantastic. If you're on TRT, Testosterone Replacement Therapy, as I said before, it can improve your blood sugars. And I've had some really good news. I went to the doctor yesterday, and allow me to look off screen, but I'll see if I can put it on screen. The information that came back of my weight and body fat percentage and everything in only about 4 or 5 weeks. So there was a real change. I had a weight of 167.6, and it's now down to 166.7 kilos. I know that's a lot, but I'm working on it. The body fat percentage before coming back onto testosterone replacement therapy was 50%. And now back on it, it's only 48%. I lost 2% body fat just by going on testosterone replacement therapy, or TRT. I'm going to start saying TRT from now on. It's a lot easier. The fat mass, it was 83.8 kilos, and now it's only 80 kilos. And the fat-free mass, 83.8, and now it's 86.7 because of gaining muscle. And the muscle mass was only 79.7. I actually lost a lot of muscle from going off testosterone replacement therapy, or TRT, and now it's 82.5. I also increased bone density. It was 4.1 kilograms, now it's 4.2. And the interesting thing is I can actually eat more because the basal metabolic rate, it went up from 2,707 calories to now 2,787 calories. So that's why you can be hungry all the time and actually need more food, because I've got more muscle. There's a change of 6.6 kilos. You know, my weight changed around 6.6 kilos. Now in pounds, that's about 15 pounds. It changed around. So I lost fat and gain muscle. This is really, really excellent news. Again, guys, if your testosterone is low, it can cause all sorts of problems, including weight gain and problems with cognition and blood sugars and everything. So I just wanted to give you that update. Thanks for watching. I'll keep you posted on that one, okay? And until the next video, which will probably be today again, because to set up all this equipment is quite painful. Okay, hope that helps somebody. Take care. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.